I'm excited to introduce you guys what Paul mentioned, Milwaukee's first ever table saw. That's the M18 8 1/4 inch table saw with one key. We can deliver 2.5 inches of vertical capacity at 90 degrees or 1 3/4 at 47, meaning we can still rip down 2x at 45 or 47 degrees. So big win there. Last but certainly not least is runtime. You heard Paul say 600 linear feet of 3/4 inch OSB and a single 12-0. So you can see no problem making that cut through a big piece of 2x. You might have also noticed that the blade stops pretty quick, so we were able to put a blade brake in here, which is a big advantage over corded saws.
And this runs on any M18 battery, not just the high demand ones. It's also got a dust extraction chute and onboard storage for all of the accessories.
So we only got a single wrench blade change. The wrench is stored underneath the saw right here. So you got this guy, you got a box end, you also got an open end. And then we have a spindle lock right here. So instead of needing 2 wrenches, you only need 1 to tighten or loosen the blade. It's that easy. Loosen your nut, tighten it back down again, use the spindle lock. Ready to go.
You say this takes a 6-inch dado stack?
So it can take a 6-inch dado stack, 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch max cut.
Wow. And it's 3/4 inch width?
It doesn't matter. You can do 1/2 inch wide by 3/4 deep or 3/4 wide by 1/2 inch deep.
So total material.
Total material, yeah.
With this, it's got the 12 amp hour battery on the side here. There's a lever on the back you can actually pull the whole riving knife off. This is going to save so much time. You don't have to get in the throat plate here. Actually, it's got a locking mechanism on the throat plate. You can pull this off. Put the riving knife back on. It's super simple. That's a little hard to actuate right there. Just plug it back in there. Lock that lever down. You're back in. The controls on the front. You got your lock and your unlock. It does not have a dial for this. It does have a positive stop at 0. And you got your blade up and down. It's fairly quick advancement.